Okay, welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to do the subscription box Poshi. Now this is more intended for like burritos, salads, different things. These you would actually be using as condiments for actual foods and stuff. But we're just going to taste test each one separate. And so we have artichoke hearts or artichoke basil and thigh, asparagus, rosemary, oregano. I'll show all this. Cauliflower, salt and black pepper, Mediterranean 3-bean salad, red peppers, fire roasted. Those are the ones we're more concerned with. We don't like spicy. Asparagus, rosemary, oregano, artichokes, French beans, lemon, garlic, cauliflower, salt and black pepper. And so we're just going to taste test a little bit. We'll taste test the one we know we like.
Yeah,
first.
We like the artichoke hearts. The others we don't know.
Yeah, so we're just going to put this over here.
This is a little bit scary for us.
This a little bit more centered.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's yours.
All right, thank you.
So we're just having one piece each.
Oh.
Really good. Really like the artichoke hearts. Definitely a good product.
Oh, cauliflower, I don't know about this. What is cauliflower?
Cauliflower. There you go. It's not bad. It doesn't have much flavor. In fact, I think it almost has like no flavor.
Yeah, it's like the artichoke hearts, but like no flavor.
Yeah. Here we go. Asparagus.
I don't know. We'll see about this one. I think this one might have a little bit more flavor.
Now, the cauliflower has salt and black pepper. Forgot to mention that. This one has rosemary and oregano. The asparagus. I like asparagus on certain things, but...
What about just straight up?
I don't know. Never really tried it straight up.
That's salt. Ooh. Not that bad. Not bad.
Not bad. Okay, now we're trying French beans, lime, and garlic. Now this sounds good.
Okay, I never had French beans, but we'll see.
Okay. There's two.
Alright.
You taste it. Oh, wow. You can definitely taste the lime.
Yeah.
The lime is heavy on the lime.
I don't know how I feel about this one. I think it's a little bit too heavy, the lime.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a lot of lime. Okay, now we're going to try with rosemary and oregano, the asparagus. I think, didn't we already try asparagus?
Yeah, it's another
rosemary and oregano?
This is asparagus cuts.
Okay.
I don't know what the difference is, do you?
No. Okay, so I don't know what the difference is. So look this. I mean, technically they should be the same.
I don't know. We'll see. They look different. I will say that.
They kind of taste the same still.
I know, we do. I don't know what's up with that, but they're good.
Okay. Yeah. Definitely getting quite a bit of my fingers. Okay, we're going to test the...
Other cauliflower.
Okay. See, so...
Okay.
This one was steamed marinade snack, salt and black pepper. I think they're the same. Yeah, they're the same. So...
Yeah?
It's just a bigger box, I think. Just the same with the artichoke hearts. Okay, so this is the only different one. Actually, we got two different ones, don't we?
Yeah. Ooh, I got the red pepper.
Okay, so we're going to try the Mediterranean 3-bean salad.
Okay.
Now, this is for salad.
This doesn't sound that bad, but ooh, wow, it's messy.
Wow.
Oh, I don't know how...
Okay, so be right back. Okay, you take spoons. All right, so I got 2 spoons. One for him, one for me.
Okay, it's like it smells pretty... Oh, sorry. Like this actually smells kind of good.
You sure I got everything? Yeah.
Oh. I don't know why you're feeding it to me, but okay.
I wasn't feeding. I was just getting it for you. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. I got everything. Oh, I think it's a bean.
It's good.
Is it?
Mhm. If other stuff would be really good, like in burritos, that'd be really good.
Wow, that'd be amazing on burritos. That itself, if they sold that, wow.
That was good, actually.
That's really good in burritos.
Well, this is what we're kind of concerned about here.
Yeah, the red peppers. I think we might get past. I just can't do it. I'm not a pepper person. I don't like red peppers.
Are you going to pass on that one?
So everything tastes good. And I'm sure the red peppers taste awesome because everything tastes good. So I can't make myself do it. It's not me. So what did you think overall?
I thought some of it was good. I think some of it is like tastes very similar. I think everything was good except the French beans. I felt like the lime was just too much.
Yeah, the lime was way too heavy on
this
on
one
lime.
would be amazing on burritos. The Mediterranean free bean salad, that was actually really good.
Yeah, I will be using in burritos. It's amazing. Really good.
The artichokes are, okay, we like the artichokes. The asparagus, and the asparagus cuts taste very similar. I don't even know what the difference is on them. And the red peppers, we're not daring enough to try those.
All right, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Social media is down below in the description. We will have a link where to buy the subscription box, and we'll see you in the next video.